Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 2004, I guess, yeah, 2004 Toyota Corolla. And we are going to replace the front strut or front shock absorber assembly for this car. So I already removed the tire, and as you can see, it's a little bit rusty in here. So I already put a WD-40 right here. It's rusted. So we are going to start over here, and as we all know, most of the time this stabilizer link bar keep on spinning. So I put the WD-40 first, and then this is number 6. So now we can start removing it. Alright, so let's remove it. Actually I started already. But still tight. Oh shit, I'm one sec. I'm blocking the view. But anyway, this is how you do it. There we go. Oopsie. We'd like to. Nope. Should be in here. See that? Right there. Hold on. Right there. Alright, yeah. Okay. Now, put some WD-40. Maybe. It takes a while to do it. But we can do it now. Here you go. I think we can remove this now. Alright. See it? So this is the hardest part. So it took you a couple of minutes to do it. So use this one. This is number 6, I guess. Yeah, number 6 torque bits. Then insert it in here. Now we can remove this one. That's it. And now we can remove those 2 bolts in here, which is super easy. These are the easiest. We're using number, let's try 19. Yeah, it's number 19. So 2 bolt, 1, 2. Just use cordless Milwaukee. Oopsie. Maybe the light. Hold on. Problem in here. Or maybe let's put it here on the top. Nope, it's not. Okay, there you go. But we need something. Good, this will keep on spinning. There you go. Super quick. There. And also, there's number 12 in here. Oh, it's not number 12, I think that's number 14. So, number 14 over here, okay? Over there. That's the bolt for your brake cable or brake hose. Now can remove the bolt, second bolt, can use this one. There you go. Just push it. Alright, everything is, now let's just pull this. Sometimes gotta put some lubricant. There you go. Alright, that's it. Perfect. And now let's just remove few bolts on the top. I think this is the number 12. 3 of them. There you go. That's 3 bolts right there. So while you're removing that, you gotta hold the strut underneath. Let's move it. So 1, then 2, like I said, hold the strut so it won't fall. I'll be showing you. So right here, I'm holding it. Okay, there we go. That's the strut. Alright, so this is the installation part. So that's the brand new strut assembly, FCS Auto. It's from Westcan Auto Parts. So let's put it on. So it has a new nut. So let's just remove this. So the way we do it is just the reverse order. Yes. We need the light. Hold on. There we go. Light. Alright. Now, this way. Okay, I'm just gonna lift it up. And then put it on. Okay, hold on. It's better if you have one person to help you, but if you don't have any helper, then that's good. No worries. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky. Hold on. Align it. Okay. There you go. Let's put this. Nice one. So here on the top. Okay. So I'm blocking your view. There you go. See it? Perfect. Okay, not that bad. One, second bolt. There. Perfect. Then the one in here. Nice. Then your stabilizer link bar. There you go. See it? I want a big view. And this one.
Ryan,
Hey!
how are you?
Good, good. Alright, so let's start tightening everything. So let's start with this. This is number 14. Hold on. I'm gonna cross thread it. Some 40. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Right there. There you go. Alright, that's it. And I'm on automatic. So automatic, what's this label? So I'm not gonna, you know, cross thread it. Automatic tightening. Alright. Okay. We need something to hold this. Oopsie. Nice. Perfect. Then let's put it on number 3. 1, 2, 3. Then just 3 times, so that's tight enough. And one in here. Perfect. Now where's that? Alright. Just make sure. So that's number 6. Then let's put this on. I don't wanna. Alright. I think, hold on. Can I use this one? Oh, okay. It fits. Perfect. Alright, that's good enough. Come on. That one is tight, that one is tight. Alright, so it becomes number 13. Perfect. There you go. Don't over tighten it. Alright, just tighten it by, by hand. Just make sure it's snug. And there you go. That's it. Alright. So, there you go. That's how you replace or install a brand new front strut assembly for 2004. I think it's 2004 or 2003 Toyota Corolla. 2003 Toyota Corolla. Yeah, it's 2003. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.